Hey guys, welcome to another sneaker video. So thanks for stopping by the channel. You got something here, different box than what we usually have. As you can see there, sneaker exchange. So what we have here is the collaboration between A Ma Maniere and Invincible. Sorry, slipped my mind there for a bit. So this is the NMD, the R1. I know it says R2, and I'm not certainly sure why it says R2, but it's an R1. I'll show you in a bit here. So it comes in that black kind of, has a little bit of a texture to it. Gets really dirty very easily, so not too big of a fan of that, but at least it's a little bit different from our standard, Ultra Boost all black NMD box. So with these, I did pick these up through StockX for a pretty darn good deal too. I had actually set a bid pretty low. I think it was around $182. These retail for $200. So I just set it for $182. I saw they were going a little bit below retail, and I was just like, hey, I'll just leave the bid there. Let's see what happens. Wake up one morning and I see that I get the notification from StockX basically saying like, your account has been charged, and yeah, your shoe is being delivered. So yeah, great deal. And plus I had a free shipping code, so after you make, I believe, 5 purchases, you do get your 6th purchase with free shipping. So way below retail, no tax or anything like that. So great deal from StockX. I use them pretty often and never really failed me. But just looking at the shoe, so this is the collaboration between A Ma Maniere and Invincible. It is the NMD R1. So you do get the 2 bricks here. If you can see very, very lightly, I don't know if it'll pick up, but it does say Adidas with the trefoil right here. You might barely be able to see that, but yeah, so it does have that there. White brick here, white brick on the inside. So this is definitely a premium looking NMD. So I know a lot of people are in the sneaker world are kind of tired of the NMDs. They've gotten a little bit boring, but this is definitely something different. So first off, you do got your standard black outsole, NMD outsole. So nothing too special there. You do get your white boost with the white bricks. But going on to the back here, we do get a leather like heel cup, I guess. Very, very nice quality too, I gotta admit. It looks great now, but hopefully I don't bump it up too much and get it all nicked and dirty or faded. The pull tab is just blank, no wording on that. Usually it'll have like the brand with 3 stripes written in either English, Japanese, German, French. Yeah, so it usually has like that, but so that's a little bit different there. We do get the pull tab that does say A Ma Maniere. It is leather, very nice quality leather too. And probably the biggest thing that really drew me towards this is the 1.0 type, prime knit throughout the shoe. So just taking a look at it, it doesn't look too crazy, but really when you have them in hand, and I don't know if this will pick up on the camera, but it is made of like a cashmere wool prime knit. So it's actually like a little fuzzy. It is very, very soft, like extremely soft. By far the softest NMD I have ever felt. Let me take this piece out. So, oh yeah, it is very, very soft, like ridiculously soft. Just really adds to that quality feel that we don't really see in a lot of like general release ones. So it has that. It does have like these wool, I think it's like the cashmere stripe, the 3 stripes here. We do get the leather, I guess where the laces go through, can't really think of what to call it right now, but that is leather. And then we do have some pretty nice little laces here where they have like a, like a blue, it's kind of like a grayish blue. And then it does have like metal aglets, which is a very nice touch. And then let me bring out the other one as well. So the other one is pretty much mirrored. Only thing difference is that it does have the Invincible logo there. But, oh, and I forgot, it does have the leather laces. I've seen these in a few people's photos. They look really, really long. I'm really not too sure how to lace these because generally you can do the, I guess, quote unquote, like hype beast lacing on Ultra Boost, where you lace it through the, through the middle of the cage. This one, I don't really know what you can do. You can't really hide it anywhere. They looked a little bit long, but that is definitely a nice touch and something that if you really want to go for the all-out luxury feel, you can definitely throw them on. Now with these, I did try them on already. I went ahead and went with the 10.5 on these. In most other R1s that are prime knit, I am a size 10, but I had seen a few videos and they had said that because it has the leather insole, and it does have the consortium written all over that, because it has the leather insole, it does make it fit true to size. And yeah, it fits perfect. Of course, the prime knit being super stretchy, it does give you a little bit room just in case it is a little bit snug on you. But I found these to fit perfect. I had originally bought these with the intention of making them like my beaters, like just wearing the heck out of them. But because of that material and that toe box that we really probably won't see very often anymore, I think I'm going to use these just like on kind of special occasions. Now, people think, oh, because it's wool, it might get a little bit warmer. I really don't know if that's going to be true, but if you can kind of see right here, that white that you see there is actually the insole that you can see. So it is pretty ventilated, even though it does have maybe that wooler knit or that wool more warm knit. But yeah, this shoe is beautiful. I don't know what they're really going for right now. I think they're right around retail. So if you see your size on StockX where the bid isn't, or I guess the asking price isn't too much higher, I would say just throw in a bid. Maybe you'll get like me where you just kind of get lucky and the guy just wants, whoever's selling it is just trying to move them quickly. But they're very, very nice. I was gonna buy them for retail, but there's quite a few shoes coming out at that time when they dropped. So I wasn't really, this wasn't a main priority, but I really don't have very many NMDs, and these are special enough to where I thought it was good to pull the trigger on. So yeah, thanks for stopping by the channel. I'll throw a few photos, more detailed photos in. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions about them, maybe how they fit. And of course, if you did like this video, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I try to put out a video at least once a week. But yeah, just starting this out and looking to do new things and improving each video. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll check you on the next one.